Hi, this is Dr. Erin Johnston at the Johnston Health Center. Today, we're going to be talking about a health tip with regards to vacuuming. So here we go. Is there a proper way of vacuuming? There is. Numerous times I get patients coming in and they'll comment about one-sided back pain. And I usually ask them if they were playing golf that weekend, or oftentimes it's vacuuming. So here's how a typical person vacuums, like this, stretching out and coming forward. So they're twisting forward and then they're bringing that vacuum back. Try just simply walking with your vacuum. Keep your vacuum here and just walk with it and then come back. We're going to walk forward and then we're going to come back. So again, bad, good. I hope you found this helpful. Give it a try. If you have any suggestions, send me a note. Bye for now.